Hello, hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, it is audible? Yeah. Today, very important concept only. Actually, we are learning a special operators. Yes, special operators. In that special operators, up to now, very easy. But like onwards, most powerful. But before we are going to start that like operator, just I am telling about in every database, between operator is there, name itself meaning is there, range of values, but low value first and high value next. Write it first, query. Query, write it very easy. Write a query. Fastly write it. These are easy. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees who are getting salary between who are getting salary between 2000 to 5000. Screen up 2000 to 5000 from EMP table by using between operator. By using between operator. Now observe it here, this query nobody mistaken. Why? Because actually EMP table they're asking, this is a EMP table, you have an idea. In this EMP table, salary between 2000 to 5000 means, yes, here sal is a column is there or not? Yes, here some employees are getting a salaries between 2000 to 5000. Sal is a column is there. How much easy query? Observe it here. Suppose I am also, you are also writing same like a what? Yesterday syntax based only. How can I? Anybody have an idea? Select a star from EMP. Don't write it. 1 minute. But I am a first time newcomer. I am writing how can I where column name between. Okay, yesterday syntax on idea, no? Yes, here. But here low value first and high value next. I don't know. For example, I am a first time newcomer. Low value first and high value next. I don't know. I am imagination. Oh, maybe low value, high value, not a problem. First is high value. I am writing. Now here and is an operator is there. Now here yes, so low value I am writing. It won't work. It won't work. It does not give an error, but it will give us a what a message. No row selected. Special operators. What the problem is? Those special operators properly are not using means it does not give any error, but it does not return any result. Suppose not in operator does not work with the null values. In that case also error is not there. It does not return result. In this case also same thing. High value first we are using also. Yes, it does not give any error also. It does not return any result. And now check it out. It won't work. Now check it out. I am copying this one. And now here I try to execute. So now here like this, no row selected. Observe here, no row selected. Why? Because logically correct. Really 5000 to 2000, 2000 to 5000. Okay, but syntactically wrong one. Syntax means always first is 2000, then only low value, then only high value. That's why here first is low value first, then only which one? High value we are using. They're only working this one. Now it is working. Yes, working or not? Yes, you are like write it fastly. Write it. This query, write it. Completed this query fast. Not only number column, dates, wherever you are working in a feature regularly. Otherwise, character also working. That is I'm showing now today. At least character also I'm showing. Completed everyone. No, finished fast. Anybody lately connected means fastly take a snap. Okay, now concentrate here. Suppose, okay, I am also, you are also writing a what query working, not a problem. this range of values only. But unfortunately, I have a doubt here. Anybody guessing a what? That answer means great. That's why I'm not showing output properly. You are observing or not? What I'm asking is, okay, fine. Suppose here, this is a table is there. Maybe some fellows are telling, I think. This is a table. Slowly observe it here. Very interesting. This is a key concept in a future RONUM side, some other concept side. Now EMP table is there. In this EMP table, salary is a column is there. Okay, fine. Yes, observe it here. Salary is a column. Now, whatever values we are specifying, 2000, we are specifying that value also may be available in a table. For example, suppose here, whatever in a syntax only we are specifying, that value also available. Suppose here 2000 we are specifying, that 2000 also available in a where? My table side. Here 3000, 4000, 3700, here 4000, 5000, anything like this only. Some data is there, for example. Observe it here. What is my occasion of your doubt means whenever whatever specified values are there in a syntax, suppose 2000 is there here, 2000 also available in a table. Okay, whatever specified values are there in a syntax, those values also, exact values also available in a table, for example. 5000, maybe 5000 also available in this case. Whenever specified values are available in a where table, what is my doubt means this between and operator always retrieving what one type of data, but which type of data I have a doubt only. Suppose whenever specified values in this example 2000, 5000 is available in a table, then maybe my between and operator returns what 2000 is included and also 5000 is included. Otherwise 2001 onwards, observe it here, 2001 onwards, maybe now that is excluded. 2001 onwards up to 4999 only it will be retrieved. Yes, here 2009 onwards up to 4999 only retrieved. Otherwise, okay, both the things are included or both the things are excluded. Otherwise, one is included, one is excluded. Suppose here 2000 is included. And now here again, yes, so 5000 is 5000 is sorry 4999 like this. Again, another one is here 2001 onwards, one is included, 2001 onwards up to 5000 only. Only one answer is correct. Anybody guess it? Which answer is correct? Fast. Both the things are included or both the things are excluded or one is included or one is excluded. Only one answer is correct. Anybody guess it? Very good. Some fellows are telling both are included, both are excluded. They are telling only. But unfortunately, correct. Only one answer is correct in that case. Very good. So many fellows are telling last two are wrong answers. Very good. Last two really wrong answers. Now here in these first two, only one answer is correct. Which answer is correct? Maybe. Guess it. Anybody? Anybody guess it? Only one answer is correct. Yes, fast. Anybody? Very good. Who are telling what? Yes, both the things are excluded. That is a correct answer they are thinking. But unfortunately, second one also wrong one. And now both the things are included. First one only correct answer. Whatever values we are specifying in a where in a syntax, that values are available. Those values are also automatically retrieved. That is important. First one is correct answer. That's why very good. So many fellows are guessing. First one is a correct answer. Here, whenever we are writing about between and operator, that is the meaning is greater than or equal to 2000 here. And also range of values here less than or equal to 5000. That is the meaning. That's why both the things are included. Very good. Why I am telling that small concept also. And now here, yes, here, slowly that one. Why? Because in a future, some concept is there. What is that one? Row num is a concept is there in a subqueries. In that case, between and operator, very important in that case. Yes, is equal to values are there. You have an idea, then only working that one. Otherwise, it won't work. That is a big concept. That is most powerful. That purpose only, that concept purpose only, I am telling like this. Suppose here really that is correct or not. Check it out. But unfortunately, my table 2000, 3000, 5000 value is not there. Only 5000 is there. Now I'm changing only that value. Then you are understandable. Don't write it. Update table name EMP set salary is equal to 2000. Also, I'm included where E name is equal to Smith. For example, okay, fine. Yes, 2000 also included. For example, because that value is there, then only you are understandable or not. Yes, here select a star from EMP like this. Now check it out. Observe it here. 2000 also available in my table. Okay, in this example side. Oh, maybe 5000 also available. Both the things are retrieved or not. Check it out. Just observe it here. Select a star from table name EMP where cell between, okay, fine, 2000 and 5000 like this. Okay, fine. Automatically 2000 included and 5000 included or not. Suppose you are experienced person. This query you are not interested to write a predefined syntax like between, not a problem. Yes, you are experienced person, you are writing a what, this one is a generalized way, range of values. How can I mean these range of values we can also use your own way. Suppose in a normal in a database also, this between and operator your own way, logically you are writing means greater than or equal to 2000. Yes, here and salary is less than or equal to 5000. That is also possible. Yes, same concept. Okay. That's why range of values you are using between and operator. Otherwise, you are not using yes greater than and less than or equal to operator through range of values and operator through also. So many fellows are writing possible. Anything your own wish. But between and operator means predefined. Yes, this is the way you are writing means your own logic only. Okay. Na? Yes, here very good. Some fellows are telling only. Now this one finished. Yes, here. Or this one also write it. Or maybe. Okay, so now this is logical query. Write it this one. Both the things are same now. Or this one also write it. Or maybe why I'm giving a what less than or equal to greater than or equal to means included values. Okay, fine. Easily understand. Okay, now so many fellows are using a what numbers and also in a future you are using a what dates only, dates regular. But unfortunately, so many interviewers intelligently asking. So now here, yes, one of my student attending interview in that another database side only, maybe he's applying my SQL side PHP in those days. My interviewer, interviewer intelligently asking. Yes, you are telling about between and operator fresher level. Okay, maybe 1 year experience they are putting only. Now here PHP side in that case. Now here only, now here between and operator small thing they are asking. Now here you are using a between and operator in a project side, which data type column you are using only. Tell me briefly. Is asking. Then my student is telling about numbers and dates only in a future dates also. But the interviewer intelligently asking, can we use character data type column in a between operator? They're asking. But unfortunately, this one is working. Nobody applying in a project side also working. Actually, not a ASCII value based only, alphabets based only it is working. Alphabets. Now you're not ASCII value space. Suppose not using also, but working or not, maybe some interviewers, anything also they're asking. That purpose I'm telling. Suppose here, this is a table is there. Select a star from EMP is a table. In this table, now A is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is there. No? Suppose LN2, now here, yes, Jones only, those employees I want to display. LN2 Jones means not like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, like this only, it will be displayed. That's why alphabetical side. Suppose here I want to display the employees, use E names between Ellen and Jones, for example. How can I select the star from EMP where E name between now here, yes, capital letter Ellen, total employee name you are using, right? Otherwise it won't work. Ellen and here Blake or Clark or Martin or Jones or anything. Okay, fine. For example, A to J. Now A to J means alphabetical order. Now here A, B, C, D, E, F, J, A, and J, O. There are not. That's why not a ASCII values based only, alphabetical based only working. Nobody using, but working only. I'm intimating to you working. Write a query fastly. Write a query. write a query to display the employees whose e-name between e-name whose e-name between Allen to Jones. From EMP table, I'm not asking. Okay, everyone knows. Yeah, write it. This query, write it. A and J means it won't work. Total name you are giving only. Otherwise, character data not working. ASCII values are not taken. Okay, yes. Some fellows are asking performance wise which one is a better in a between and okay, so now here yes greater than less than. No, there is no difference between performance in a where between and greater than less than. They are not giving. Only in a future in and exist. Only some subquery special operator all and NA and indexes materialized. Those is performance side. These things they are not giving. Anything you are using also same. Completed. Fastly right. Okay. Completed fast. Easy. No? Now, but unfortunately, compared to between, not between, very important, but not today. Actually, suppose you are joining in a company, you are working in a way 9 o'clock into whereas 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Okay, not these timings only, actually, any timings also. Now 5 o'clock, for example, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. in a where in your office. Other than this times only, I don't want to perform any DML operation in a your important table means yes, in a real-time project side, trigger is a concept is there in a PLSQL. In that one, the not between operator regularly they are using. If to underscore care of column name, comma, date something is there, HH hours, minutes, MI, seconds like this only, not between 10 to now here 10 and 5 like this only, then raise underscore application underscore error some dates. But unfortunately, you don't have an idea trigger. That is a PLSQL. You don't have an idea that dates only up to now we are not starting only. That's why you don't have an idea that one also. Just idea purpose only I'm writing. Suppose in a previous case, salary between 2000 to 5000 is there. No, that just okay. So now here not between I'm writing only enough. Now here check it out. Don't write it only. Now here suppose select a star from EMP where salary just not between I'm using. Not between means other than that one range of values. No, simple. Now here that is not a occasional issue in this case. Other than okay, so now 2000 to 5000 means remaining values it will be displayed or not? Yes, here. But not like this actually. In a future date side, some other concept side we are using. But better to know, oh, not between also there. Write a query fastly. Write a query. Write a query to display the employees who are not getting salary between 2000 to 5000 from EMP table. Fastly write it. This is very easy. Just not only we are using. Complete it fast. Then like is important. Up to this one very easy. Okay, na? Next special operator is space null. space is there, okay, comma, is space not space null, is space null, is space not space null. Write it side heading, is space null, is space not space null, is not null. Space is there, okay, yeah. Actually, in SQL means, don't write it, don't write it. In SQL, we are using a what these ones in a where clause. Other classes side, impossible. Only in SQL language side, only we are allowed to use these clauses in a where clause only. But unfortunately, now here PLSQL is a concept is there. In this PLSQL only, I am using a what those things in a where in a nested table is a concept is there. Where is that one? Okay, anyway, now here, yes, in a PLSQL, that file is missing. Now in a PLSQL, I am writing a what that one in a where if condition side, if condition side. In a PLSQL side, that one we are using a what if condition. If a variable is space null, then that pointer points to where null value, then some coding we are writing like this, dbms underscore output like this only. That's why in a PLSQL means if condition side, we are using only is null, is not null operators. Nested table is a concept is there in a PLSQL. I will tell you, don't worry. But in SQL side, only we are allowed to use in a where clause. That is important. Now only SQL means where clause. Why I am telling me so many fellows are update table name, set column name, is null they are writing. That is wrong word. It won't work. Only where clause only working. Okay, now write it. Is null, is not null. Write it. Some theory, write it. These operators are allowed to use, these operators are allowed to use in where clause only. In where clause only. Write it. These operators, again write it. These operators are used to, these operators are used to test whether a column having null values or not. Whether a column having null values or not. Whether a column having null values or not. And now check it out. One problem is there in every database. Screen observe it. Every database, not only Oracle. And now check it out. Actually, suppose what is the problem is in a database side means department number is a column is there, for example. Here in this 10th department is there, 20 is there, null is there, for example, 50 is there, for example. Suppose this is the data is there. I want to display the employees who are belongs to where 10th department means I am also, you are also thinking this 10 is available in a which column, you have to check it out. That we are using in a where clause. That's why select a star from a table name where, now here where column name, no, where the column department number is equal to the value and 10. We are using like this. Where column name is equal to value, I am telling. Suppose Suppose I want to display the employees who are belongs to 20th department, means 20 is available in a which column? Department number. That's why where department number is equal to 20. This is the way I'm telling. Suppose I want to display the employees who are belongs to null department, for example. Null is available in a which column? Yes, a department number column. That's why where a department number is equal to which one? Null we are writing means it won't work. Impossible. Is equal to null we are not allowed to use in a where clause. That's a problem. In any database system in the worldwide also, we are comparing a want and null value in a where clause. Impossible. It does not give any error, but it does not give any result. In this case only, in every relational database side also, a special operator we are using is space null only. Where condition we are not allowed to use is equal to null. In that case only, we are using a what is a space null. Suppose, for example, now here you are a first time newcomer. Now check it out. This is a table is there, for example. Okay, fine. In this table, MGR column one null value is there. MGR is a what null value is there. That those employees I want to display means I am also, you are also. Normally we are thinking, oh, nothing is there. Yes, that column of question of here, yes, is equal to null. We are thinking, oh, maybe that value is available, null value is available in a column. Yes, it won't work. No row selected. Already I am telling. And now here, yes, here. Whenever special operators properly you are not using rules, you are not following means it won't work. No rows selected. Errors are not returned, but no rows selected. In that case, just we are using, you are a good experienced person means is space. And now here is space null we are using, then automatically working. Is equal to null, we are not allowed to use in a where. Yes, in every database, where condition. In that case, is null. Here not equal to null means is not null we are using. Syntax, write it. Syntax. Select star from table name where column name is space null. Again, another syntax also write it. Select star from table name where column name is space not space null. Select star from table name where column name is space null. Select star from table name or star column where column name is a space not a space null. Okay, na? Fastly write it. But unfortunately, null value practice purpose Oracle Corporation giving award which column? Yes, very good. Commission is a column is there. Now check it out. This is a table is there. This is a last example. Now we are starting a what like very important. Commission is a column. Here some null values are there. For example, I want to display the employees whose commission is a null means I am also, you are also thinking, how can I select star from EMP where, don't write it, where commission is equal to null. It won't work. Yes, here, no rows selected. Now check it out, this is a problem. Now in this case, suppose here you are a good professional in any database in the worldwide is equal to null not working in a where clause. In that case, is space null we are using working. Now here, yes, automatically, oh baby, null values are there. Those records also we are retrieving possible or not? Yes, possible. Now here, write a query first. Very easy query is this one. Completed a syntax, completed a. Write a query fast. Write a query. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees whose commission is null from EMP table. Write a query to display the employees whose commission is null from EMP table. Very easy. No? Write a query to display the employees whose commission is null from EMP table. Write it is query. Select star from EMP where commission is space null, right? Completed. Another query, write it. Opposite also write it fastly. Write a query. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees whose commission is not null. Not null means other than null value. Whose commission is not null from EMP table. Write a query to display the employees whose commission is not null from EMP table. This is nobody mistaken. Just here, other than null values means is a space, not a space, null. No. Yes, here opposite. No. So now here, yes, here is a space, not a space, null. Already have an idea. Just observe it here. Or maybe including zero also it will be spread or not. Yes, simple. Other than null values, that is the meaning. Write it. This query is nobody mistaken. That is. Completed fast. And now what are the special operators are there in every database? Observe it here. Already I am telling in is a special operator in a where clause we are using. Opposite is what? Not in. Again, between is a special operator in a where clause we are using. Again, opposite is what? Not between. Again, is null, is space, null is a what? A special operator is opposite is space, not a space, null. These are regularly using easy also, but unfortunately, in these all the special operators side in a word database, important operator is what? Like you must familiar, mandatory. Anybody not good at what? Like operator. Now here they are unable to handle the projects, impossible. But like is easy, not a difficult. But so many fellows are, yes, doesn't know this one, but important. Why nowadays this is so much of powerful compared to olden days means nowadays regular expressions is a concept is there. Observe here. Regular expressions is a concept in a feature. These type of special symbols we are using only. And now here, yes, regular expressions are there. And now here, suppose email ID is there in that one. I want to retrieve only gmail.com. Otherwise, this one ABC, this spot I want. These type of things means some notations we are using. These concepts understandable means compulsory strong knowledge is required in a where in a like operator. Otherwise, you are unable to handle. That's why like is easy also mandatory to know every developer in the worldwide. That's why old and Java, .NET, these type of programmer side also into you're asking a like. And now here write it side heading very important concept like operator. This is be careful, but easy understandable, not a problem. Write it. Like operator in a database, same concept. Like operator. What is a like operator means? Slowly observe it here. Suppose mail ID is there, for example. Don't read it, don't read, just observe it here. Mail ID is there. In this mail ID only abc at the rate gmail.com is there, for example. Now, in this case, suppose so many mail IDs are there. Now here, I want to retrieve the not all the mail IDs only now here, yes, at the rate symbol, only one at the rate symbol is there. Those mail IDs only I want to retrieve. Suppose the last only .com is those mail IDs only I want to retrieve. That is called pattern. Some pattern only, that is called pattern. Some pattern based only in a where clause, whatever pattern we are specifying, that pattern based only if you want to retrieve the data, then we go for like operator. How you are understandable, you are a first time newcomer, means simple. Suppose here this is a table is there, easily understandable. Now in this table, suppose so much of millions of records are there in a jobs, for example, clerk, salesman, manager, those all that jobs are there. But I don't want to retrieve all the jobs. last letters is a what? A man is there. Last three letters is a man is there. Those jobs only I want to retro. Possible. That is a pattern. Suppose here, yes, this is a higher date is there, joining date, dates only. Suppose last two digits are 81 is there, those employees only I want to retro. Possible. Suppose here, yes, here, now here, yes, employee names are there. Whose employee names end with a what? A capital letter N. Those employees only I want to retro. Possible. Suppose whose E name is a what? A second letter is a what? A capital letter L is there. Those employees only I want to retro. Possible. Suppose here whose E name start with the what? Capital letter J only. Those employees I want to retro. Possible. That is a pattern. Suppose whose employees employee number start with 77 only. Those employees only I want to retro. Possible. That's why that is called character pattern. Some pattern only. That's why like operator is a most powerful. Why means very fastest way retrieve the data compared to any searching functions also in any database. That much powerful. But this is retrieve data based on the where clause, whatever pattern you are using based on that specified pattern only, it will be retrieve the data. But we are learning about column side, but the project side actually any type of data also, any database also, data also we are retrieving. How means I will tell you. Write it. First theory, write it. Practically very interesting. But universal concept this one. Once you are learning in a one database, all the database same. Write it. Big concept. Write it. Like operator. Write it. Like operator. This is a definition. Like operator is used to. Like operator is used to retrieve. Retrieve means retrieve searching. Retrieve data from database. From database based on the specified pattern right? PATTER pattern based on the specified pattern in where clause means where condition, where clause. Actually, right operator very fastest way retrieve the data compared to any searching functions. In a future, searching functions are there to care, substring, in string, so many concepts are there. Don't worry. Write it that concept also. Write it. Next paragraph. In all, write it. In all relational databases. Next paragraph. Write it. In all relational databases, like operator performance is performance in all relational databases like operator performance is very high compared to predefined. Performance is very high means very fastly retrieved compared to predefined searching functions. This is you don't have an idea really, but write it because later it is helpful. Now concentrate here. Suppose I'm a very experienced person, for example, in a database. In a database, huge amount of data is there, millions of records are there. Some type of data I am retrieving only in my project only by using a like operator. Don't write it. Just I'm writing a big query. These queries you don't have an idea. Don't write it. Don't write. Just observe. Just I am experienced person means I am writing a what some like operator query in my project. For example, And now why I'm writing means you are understandable. Now here, check it out. Observe here. I'm writing some query. Observe here. Whenever I'm writing a query, some type of data, a huge amount of data, it will be retrieved or not? Yes, here. Somewhere data is there in a database. Now that's why column I'm not telling. Somewhere data is there, that all the data, some data, it will be retrieved. Okay, fine. By using a what, which operator? Some query I'm writing only big query. Now here, yes, as like operator. But unfortunately, you are observing or not, along with the like operator, some special symbol we are using only. Here, observe here, percentage sign. Here, special symbol is there or not? That's why along with the like operator, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, MySQL, these database side, two special characters we are using. One is percentage symbol, another one is what? Underscore. What is underscore? What is percentage symbol? How can I use those? All the things I will tell you. Okay, in a database. So same, write it. Next para, write it. Next para. Along with the like operator, along with the like operator, Oracle provided two special characters, not only Oracle database, as I said, two special characters. These are special meanings are there, don't worry. These are, first one, anybody have an idea? Percentage symbol, percentage. Second one is what? Which one? Underscore, not hyphen. Underscore. Okay. It in the bracket underscore, right? It. Some fellows are hyphen, they are thinking underscore this one. Along with the like operator, Oracle provided two special character, percentage, underscore. Okay, na? Finished up, but unfortunately, 1 minute observed here. Very important terminology. Actually, in a real-time project side, these two special characters don't call it as a what special characters. They are call it as a what? Anybody have an idea? Wildcard characters. Very important terminology. What is wildcard characters means? Nothing is there. A special characters having a special meaning. Oh, maybe percentage means some special meaning is there. Underscore means some other special meaning is there. That's why these two special characters are also called as wildcard characters. Percentage and underscore symbol is also called as in every database wildcard characters. Wildcard characters means nothing is there. In Oracle, wildcard characters are special characters having a what? Special meaning. Simple. Those things I will tell you. Write it. Some theory. Next para, write it. These two special characters are also called as wild card characters. These two special characters are also called as wild card characters. Now, what is wild card means? Don't worry, that is a name only there. Write a note, write it. Write a note. In Oracle, wild card characters are special characters. Wild card characters are special characters having special meaning. In Oracle, wild card characters are special characters having special meaning. Okay, now slowly observe it here. Finished this one. And now everyone writing a what like this. Observe it here. Concentrate here. Actually, how we are telling me is practically very interesting. Everyone knows like operator is there. In this like operator, what I am telling, like this only I am telling. Here, two special characters are there. Here, two special characters are there. One is now here. Which one? Percentage sign. Another one is observe it here. Second one is what here? Underscore, not a hyphen. Okay, na? Underscore. Okay, fine. But this percentage symbol, what is the purpose means? We are learning a what? Suppose a string I want to search, a group of characters I want to search. Then we go for percentage. How means practically you are understandable. That's the meaning, right? It string or both the things are same. String or group of characters searching purpose. Okay, group of characters like it. Here this underscore is there. No, what is the purpose of this underscore means? Single character we are searching. How and what is that one means? Practically we are learning single character, right? This is practically we are learning, don't worry. Write it this one, arrow mark through like completed. Yeah, but unfortunately observe it here. Okay, this percentage means string searching purpose. This underscore is there. No, here underscore, this underscore is there. No, this underscore, what is the searching purpose? Single character searching purpose we are using. Okay, fine, practically we are learning, don't worry. Practically very easy, but unfortunately syntax is totally different. Now here some fellows are asking only holidays only. Now maybe 2 or 3 days they are giving only holidays, don't worry. Now but anybody missing classes also, don't worry. Maybe okay, they're requesting what another batch ID means whenever you are missing that concept means another batch only, that concept is there, you have to attend it, not a problem. Okay, yeah. Now here, yes, maybe in there are some fellows are going to villages or anything means yes, go to no, okay, so no, those festivals, not a problem. Okay, yeah. Just which topic you are missing only, just note it down only. In that case, we have to attend that. Not a problem. And now next, observe it here. And now, what is the syntax Oracle Corporation giving means? Observe it here. And now slowly observe it here. This syntax is totally different only. Observe it here. Don't write it, but first observe it here. Very interesting. Suppose in every database, special operator, how can I select star from or select column names from table name they are giving? Where column name after where class column name compulsory. Okay, in operator side. In we are using, here between we are using, here is null we are using. Same like is a operator. Okay, where column name like. Here very important. Compulsory. We are using a what? Single quotes. Without single quotes, it won't work. Actually, that is character pattern. Numbers also, dates also, okay, characters also, CLOB also, BLOB also, timestamp data also, any type of data also, compulsory single code you must specify within a like operator, otherwise it won't work. Internally it will be treated as a character. That is a problem. So many fellows are single quotes, they are forgetting only because normal queries means single quote they are not using. No, that's why now here without single quotes it won't work. Now really that is correct. That's why in a previous case I'm writing a query, you are observing or not, some big query I'm writing only. In that one after like operator, here observe here, single quotes is there or not? Yes, single quotes. Any type of data also single quotes here. That is a rule. Because internally character based we are. Within the single quotes, this percentage symbol and underscore, some pattern based only you are writing. That is called pattern, character pattern only. Okay. Na? Yes, here. Select the star from table name where column name like here single quotes. Okay. Single quotes here, some symbols we are using, that is called character pattern. Here character pattern like this. Okay. Na? Write it this syntax. Every database same syntax. Write it, select star from table name where column name like single quotes character pattern. Single quote close. Okay. Up to this one is enough today. Now here because some fellows are put with this or anything. Now tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Okay, fine. Now today same time. But unfortunately, some fellows are messaging me, sir. Okay, Murli, sir. We have a doubts only whenever you are practicing. Only some errors are occurred. Don't worry. Whenever error is occurred, just carefully you are observing in a way your notes, and one or two times you are observing about that one, easily you are rectifying that error. Very easy. Why? Because all the things it is showing a practical, suppose anybody non-technical persons are there, maybe in a mechanical, any other son of your civil, those type of candidates means how they are practicing better means, because these are online classes, no, that's a problem. Offline means maybe anybody mentors, they are helping. And now here actually online classes means better to suppose create table, you are a first time newcomer. Whenever you are create table also last bracket you are not giving, but some error is occurred. Okay, you are unable to identify the error. Don't worry, it's a simple technique. In a Google only, a create table command, YouTube, you have to type it in a Oracle. Then so many fellows are daily articles they are writing. Otherwise, YouTubes are there. Create table also, insert also, update also, commands are there. One or two times you are observe it, then easy. One of these days, these all the things are easy, but unfortunately, learners, any non-technical person means better to utilize a what. Now here, yes, Google only. In that Google, now here, just we have to type it. Suppose create table. I want create table in Oracle, YouTube. You have to type it. Better. So many fellows are create table also they are writing. Insert into also they are writing. Select also they are writing like this. But when the which one practice and assignments means subquery chapter is there in that class onwards, very important. In the morning that batch is going on subqueries only. And now in that one big queries you are writing. In that case, I am asking what, write this query, that query, like that means in that case, yes, you are practicing more. Okay. Up to that one, I am telling only, then you have to follow. Why? Because when to use which one, when to use which concept, you don't have an idea up to some stage. Functions, operators like that. Okay. Yes, tomorrow I will tell you remind. Okay, na? Okay. Tomorrow we'll continue. Okay. Don't worry. In a festival, there's an important concept we are not telling. Don't worry. Slowly I'm telling. Okay. After that one only, I will tell you important. Okay, na? Tomorrow we'll continue. Tomorrow also class is there.